Hi, Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the conference swag that we have available for the Blessed Bible Journaling Conference. And if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this year we have chosen to use Amazon for our distributor for the conference swag, and there's reasons behind that. Let me show you some of the items while I discuss that with you in just a minute. So some of the items that I have to share with you are the conference tote, the conference shirt, and the conference mug. It's a little bit, you can kind of get a feel for the type of quality and the things that you're getting if you decide to purchase one of the conference items. I know a lot of you guys like the shirts, and so you'll be pleased that there are many different options for the shirt. The shirt that I have here is the V-neck shirt. So this one here is the V-neck shirt. And I like my shirts a little bit big, so I got the double extra large. And the double extra large runs, I would say probably runs slightly bigger than an extra large, which I guess that's what double extra large means. But it's not roomy. it's definitely a double extra large. And this is our conference design, which just says Blessed Bible Journaling Conference 2025 on it. And I really like the quality of the shirt itself. And this is made by Port & Company. It's called Ring Spun Fan Favorite, 100% cotton shirt. So it will shrink, but it's really a nice, comfortable cotton. It's not like a, I wouldn't say it's like the generic Hanes that you get that almost feels kind of crusty. This is a very nice, soft, ring spun kind of fabric. So I know that Shellen, I think she got the hoodie, but I just got the shirt, the tote, and the mug to share with you so that you could see. The quality is really good. I think the printing on it is good as well. And we needed to move away from the vendor this year because I had actually tested the last year's vendor early. I tested them in I want to say March. And as of April, I had not received my order and did not think I was getting my order at all because nobody would respond to me. So the previous company that we used last year and the year before, we're no longer using them because they are unresponsive and they are not delivering in a timely fashion. So we had to switch everything over to Amazon. And Amazon delivers quick. So this one arrived within a week after I ordered it. And I think they came in, it's pretty good quality. So this is the tote. And, you know, the tote, let's say if I'm putting my Bible in there, just so you can see for reference and size. I mean, you could definitely fit a lot of things in here because my Bible doesn't even take up that much room. So Bibles, papers, groceries, all the things. This is a nice, pretty nice canvas tote that is available for purchase. And I got the black one. It's got the straps on, straps on the inside, but there's no pockets. So don't think it's that special. There's no pockets, but it's printed on this side and also printed on the other side with our conference logo. So it's on both sides. So that's the tote. And then this one I was really impressed with. This is the coffee mug. I'm so excited I got this one. But it has it's kind of like a raised, I don't know, it's raised. It's really pretty. And I just really love this. This is probably my favorite of all three. So, and then it comes with the lid. And on the back of it is our logo, Bible Journaling Ministries. So I'm so excited about this mug, you guys. I can't tell you. I'm so thrilled. I actually do want to create some that are just Bible journaling, not just the conference. Not just the Blessed Conference, ones that are just Bible Journaling Ministries and maybe have some creative sayings on the front. So if you think of any creative saying you want on the front, let me know. But I just really love this mug. So these are just examples of some of the things that you'll be able to purchase during the Blessed Bible Journaling Conference. And again, our vendor this year is going to be Amazon, delivering pretty good quality. Pretty impressed. And very timely. Very timely. So hopefully this is helpful and you guys have a very blessed day. I can't wait to see you at the conference. Goodbye.